For the 22nd year, the Windsor Chamber of Commerce has organized the Windsor Chili Challenge. Several businesses, both large and small, civic organizations, and even the Windsor Volunteer Fire Department participated in this year's festivities. The day was filled with much activity, bright sunshine, and of course a whole lot of chili. One of the many organizations at the Chili Challenge is the Windsor JCs. Tracy Zotter, JC's president, gave a description on who the JCs are and how they serve the community.
What we do is we raise funds to give back into the community in the forms of scholarships that we do every year for the high school. We give back to other civic organizations that need help with their fundraisers, and we always get requests to help.
One of the many competitors at the Chili Challenge was Bart's Drive-In. Bart's, widely known for their belly-busting hot dogs and their classic car cruise nights, have been a Windsor staple for 65 years. Bart's current owner and mayor of Windsor, Don Trinks, discussed the base ingredients of Bart's chili.
Well, there's always a big debate over yes for beans or no for beans in chili. We're a no-bean chili, and I like to have a lot of hearty beef in it, a little zing to it to remind you that you're not having stew, you are in fact having chili. So everything else you'll just have to come and see.
The Windsor Chili Challenge is a large event that takes quite a bit of planning and organizing. Chili Challenge Chair, Kathy Kopaz, explained how the event comes together.
And basically it's organized by the Windsor Chamber of Commerce, who is a sponsor of it, and is a benefit for the Chamber of Commerce. And basically we have a committee, we have people that basically go out and we get businesses, local businesses.
So the Windsor Chili Challenge has enjoyed another successful year. We have multiple people that are taking advantage of this beautiful fall day, this early fall day here on the first day of October. Reporting live here from Windsor, Connecticut on the Windsor Town Green, I'm Mark Lucy for Real Fair News with the Connecticut School of Broadcasting.